Hi, it's Amanda again, and welcome to week 3 of your Intimate Rose Dilator Training System. How is it going for you? Are you noticing signs of improvement yet? If you're not, don't be discouraged. As I mentioned in the last video, for some women, it can take a few weeks in between each dilator to make progress. So be sure you're using plenty of lubrication. Try different positions, as I talked about last time, and just remember that this journey can take a long time, and I've been there and I see it clinically in my patients every day, and I wish there was a magic wand to make it go quicker, but at this time there's not. There is a pelvic wand. So sometimes women with pelvic pain have trigger points in the pelvic floor muscles themselves, and that can make penetration and some of the different medical exams that you're using the dilators to treat more painful. So sometimes it's very beneficial to use a pelvic wand to intravaginally or intrarectally, so using the wand to go inside the vagina or inside the rectum to release your own trigger points, can be really beneficial in helping to restore the overall tone of the pelvic floor muscles that can make dilator training go quicker. So we have 2 different wands. I designed each of these to be able to reach the deep layers of the pelvic floor as well as the superficial ones. So some of the deeper muscles being the puborectalis and the obturator internus. So if you're having issues with constipation, pain up and around your bladder, pain around your tailbone, or pain that feels like it's deep in the pelvis and kind of in the sides of the hips, those are classic hallmark signs of tender points deep within that pelvic floor. So this wand can be used superficially around the closer muscles and then deeper to release those trigger points and tender points. The purple one is just as it is here with this form. The turquoise one has the same form, but it also has 10 speeds of vibration. Vibration has been shown to improve blood flow and circulation, and it can also help to relax the pelvic floor muscles for some people. So the wand is a tool that could help you progress in your goals and make things go a little bit quicker and smoother. So I hope that you are noticing some changes, and stay patient. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at support@intimaterose.com.